I built this app for myself in just a few minutes. Let me show you how to build your own. Let's head to AI.studio, Google's vibe coding product that turns your ideas into apps. I had a vision of a retro inspired virtual closet that reacts to weather. So, first, I sketched out the layout of the app. Then, I found this design reference whose aesthetics I really liked. But you can use anything, a screenshot, a photo, a mood board, just something that captures the vibe you're going for. Our first prompt is about the structure. What does this app actually need to do? I want to build a retro inspired virtual closet app called My Closet that functions as a virtual try on experience. I have attached an image for design inspiration that I like, along with a layout reference. It also includes a style tip board and suggests outfit pairings based on the current weather in my location. That's the foundation, a working app that followed my layout sketch, which has a style board and a weather based outfit suggestions, all with one single prompt. But we are just getting started. Now I need to populate this app with my wardrobe. So I made a folder on my desktop and put in all the images of my clothes. In AI Studio, I switched from preview to code and drag my folder here. And then I type. I have all my clothes images in this folder. Replace the placeholders with these. Now it's not a demo anymore. It's my actual wardrobe. My clothes organized, tagged, and ready to work with. To me, this is when it starts to feel real. I live in New York and the weather changes constantly. So I want the app to know that and dress me accordingly. So let's make that happen. Analyze my outfit images based on the weather at my location. Auto scroll through my wardrobe options and suggest outfit pairings for me. This is the moment I love. It's not just showing me my clothes anymore, it's thinking about them. Looking at what I have, checking the weather, and telling me what actually works for today. I had one more idea. What if I could actually try the clothes on virtually right inside the app? Include an option to upload an image or snap a photo of me. Then replace my outfit with selected outfits so I can see how I look in them. In order to do this, it's using Nano Banana, Google's powerful image editing and generation model. Let's see if this works. And it does. That's the thing I enjoy about this process. Every time I react to what's there, I get closer to what I actually wanted. I describe, it builds, I refine. It's less like coding and more like having a conversation. So if you ever had a problem and thought there should be an app for this, there can be. You just have to describe it. Need a starting point? The app gallery inside AI Studio is packed with examples of what's possible. What problem in your life deserves its own app? Drop it in the comments. We want to see what you make. And one more thing, we are adding this app to the app gallery. So you can remix it, make it yours, and put your own twist on it. Go find it, play with it, and make something better.